Ladies, when you're in this situation, there's one thing you can do. Go to your shoe. Remove your shoe and remove your sock. If you don't have a sock, a scrunchie, a scarf, anything like that can work as well. So we have our sock here. We have a nice thick sock. You're gonna wanna put your hand in that sock, just like this, okay? See that? All right, doesn't matter which hand. We're gonna take our handcuff and really try to stuff that sock in there. Oh, this is easy. This is the best way to escape when you have been kidnapped. Handcuffs have nothing against this technique. Watch closely, watch closely. Okay, we're gonna wrap this side of our sock over the handcuff like this. Are you watching? Cover that handcuff completely. All right. Almost there. Now it's completely covered. Can't see my hand or the handcuff. Are you ready for this? All right. Now you're gonna go ahead, grab your other sock. We got our other sock. You're gonna stuff it in there with that extra room. You wanna make sure it's as tight as possible, but it's completely covered. All right, this is gonna happen in seconds. We're just about there, and you're gonna be released so quickly. Now remember, if you don't have socks, you can use a scrunchy hair tie, you can use a scarf, you can use pantyhose, whatever you got on you, make it work, okay, ladies? All right, now we cannot see anything. It's completely tight, covered, no hand, no cuff. This is about to just pop right off, and you're gonna protect your wrist with that sock. I have a nice thick sock, but a thin sock will get the job done. All right, you ready for this? Grab your wrist like this. All right, pinkies out. Slowly start to push the socks off. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a little tight, but it's working. Oh, it's working. Okay. Okay, it's almost there. See, it's already. Oh, all right. There you go.